Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, small business owner, or creative professional, a laser engraver can take your projects to the next level with precision and customization. In today's video, we're exploring the best laser engravers that offer powerful performance, user-friendly controls, and versatility for engraving everything from wood and metal to glass and leather. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in and find the perfect laser engraver for your creative needs. Number 5. ACMER S1 Laser Engraver. The ACMER S1 Laser Engraver is designed to give beginners an easy way to start working with laser engraving on common materials. It comes ready to use with no assembly required, which helps users get started right away. Beginner-friendly portable design means it is suitable for people who want to work from home or on the go without needing much space or setup. It uses a laser output of 3,500 milliwatt, offering fine detail with a spot size of 0.04 by 0.04 millimeter. This allows for accurate engravings with realistic results, even on complex patterns. High-precision output resolution helps turn digital designs into detailed physical engravings on surfaces like wood, leather, glass, and acrylic. Number 4. Longer RI5 130-watt Laser Engraver. The Longer RI5 130-watt Laser Engraver offers a balance of strength and control for users who need reliable engraving and cutting. It includes a 3.5-inch color touchscreen for checking and managing settings directly from the machine. Direct Control Touch Panel provides flexibility for users who want to work without being connected to a computer at all times. This laser cutter uses a 200-watt output and features an ultrafine laser point that measures 0.08 by 0.1 millimeter. It can handle engraving tasks with high detail and can also cut through thick materials like pine wood and acrylic in single or multiple passes. High-power laser module enables it to process dense and layered materials effectively, supporting a variety of creative or professional applications. The machine also includes multiple connectivity methods such as USB, Wi-Fi, application, and memory card options. This makes it easier to run different files directly from the machine. Number 3. ACMER Laser Engraver. The ACMER Laser Engraver S1 is a small, automatic laser cutter made for simple engraving tasks on various materials. It is built to be easy to carry, making it a good option for creators who want to work in different places. The lightweight build lets it fit on most desks without needing much space. Portable compact lightweight structure gives it added convenience for personal or travel-based use. The engraving area is 130 by 130 millimeter, which supports small projects such as jewelry, ornaments, and personalized gifts. The laser output is sharp and narrow, helping achieve clear detail on metal, leather, wood, and acrylic surfaces. Fine detail engraving support is especially useful for delicate design work that needs accuracy. This machine is ready to operate straight out of the box, so users do not need to spend extra time setting it up. Its automatic features include limit switches on both movement axes, which help prevent overreach and offer a reliable restart position. Number 2. Longer Laser Engraver Ray 5. The Longer Laser Engraver Ray 5 offers a creative solution for engraving tasks at home or in small business settings. It comes with a touchscreen display that allows users to control the machine directly without needing a computer. Offline usage capability included makes it convenient for anyone looking to work independently from constant software connection, enhancing workflow and flexibility during projects. The working area of 400 by 400 millimeters supports projects of various sizes. With a laser spot size of 0.08 by 0.08 millimeter, it is able to create fine and detailed patterns on different materials. High-speed engraving motion allows it to process designs quickly without losing quality. The engraver is especially useful for wood, leather, glass, and light metals, giving users a wide range of design options. Number 1. Ortur Laser Master Laser Engraver Machine. The Ortur Laser Master 2S2LU2-2 is a laser engraver machine designed for hobby and small workshop use. It comes with a fixed focus laser module and operates using a professional 32-bit motherboard. The laser module delivers detailed engraving with a very narrow focal point. Ultrafine engraving lines allow for cleaner and more precise results on various materials without much setup. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.